I'm going to start this problem by setting up the ratio that I have. And the ratio that I have for Sue's driving is that it takes her 24 minutes to drive 40 kilometers. Now, this isn't a great unit rate. I'm going to reduce this ratio as low as possible. Looking at the numbers 24 and 40, what I'm thinking to myself is I'm trying to ask myself, what is the largest number that divides evenly into both of these? And the one that I can come up with is 8. So 24 divided by 8 and 40 divided by 8. So I'm just trying to reduce this to be something that I can relate to this 115 kilometer mark that I've got here for Jim that I'm trying to work with. So 24 divided by 8 gives me 3 minutes, and 40 divided by 8 gives me 5 kilometers. So for every 3 minutes that Sue travels, or 3 minutes that she drives, she travels 5 kilometers. Now with Jim, what I already know about Jim, so I'm going to do Jim's work in a different color. I'm going to do Jim's work in green. Okay, so Jim is green. What I know about Jim is I already know Jim's kilometers. I already know that Jim has driven 115 kilometers. And what the problem tells me is that he's actually driving at the exact same rate. So I need an equivalent ratio when I'm solving this problem. So what I had to look at, I've got to look at 5 to 115. What is it that I'm doing to 5 to get to 115? Now I know that 5 is going to divide evenly into 115. So I used my calculator to figure out what 115 divided by 5 was, and I found that it was 23. So to go from my ratio of 3 minutes to 5 kilometers to filling in this blank, what relates to 115 kilometers the same way, I need to multiply both sides of that equation to 23, or by 23. When I multiply 5 by 23, I get 115, which is what I already know I needed. And when I multiply 23 by 3, I end up with 69 minutes. So driving the exact same rate, it's going to take Jim 69 minutes to get to where he's going.